Cube root. How to find cube root? Okay, so square root easy. How to find cube root now? If I am having a number like this, cube root of 17167. Okay, what's the cube root of this number? In case of square root, you split it after 2 digits. Here you're going to split it after 3 digits. Cube roots: 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is 1 cube? 1, 2 cube, 8, 27, 5, 6, 2 and 6. This one, 343, 8 cube, 8 cube, 8 is 64, 64 8 are 5, 1, 2, 9 cube. I'm not telling you, should have sorry, 729. Okay, so now you know what are going to be the units place here. It can either be 1, it can either be 1, the cube of 1, the cube of 4, cube of 6, 5, 9. Everything ends with the same number in the units place. Everything ends with the same number in the units place. 1 ends with 1, 4 ends with 4, 5 ends with 5, 6 ends with 6, 9 ends with 9 in the units place. 3, 7, 3, 7 and 2 and 8 interchange their units place value. The value of 2 is shifted to 8, 8's value is shifted to 2. They are interchanging the positions of units. That's it. Done. Okay. 7. Now the given number 7. What are the options? It can be 3. Okay. 17. It is the closest for which cube? 2 cube is going to be your set. Done. Cube is more simpler than 23 cube. 23 cube is going to be your 17167. Okay. Clear or not clear? You want to take example? Okay. Solve this. Square cube root of 4096. After 3 you're going to split it. Ends with 6. Options 6. 4. Closest value 1 cube. 1 cube. It can be 16 cube. 16 cube is going to give you 4096. Don't confuse between squares and cubes. Any confusions? All clear? All clear? Yes, Manjunath. Okay. Online square root, cube root.
Share that one.
See, here I am asking for this given number 17, which is the closest cube. Closest cube is 2 cube. If I am doing 3 cube, it is going to be 27. I should be close to that, but lesser than that. It can only be 2. Here, closest cube for 4 is 1 cube. 1 into 1 into 1 is going to be 1. If I am going to do it for 2, it is going to be 2 into 2 into 2. That's nothing but 8. It is going to be more than 4, so I cannot take. So I have to take a lesser number than 12. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now, start taking the next set of problems. 5476. What is the square root of 5476? Quick. Okay, all got square roots. Okay, start solving it. What is 441 square root? 21. Answer for 28? Sorry, x is 7. Yes, x is 7. Solve it. Okay, from 21st, everyone should be using the shortcuts, whatever I explained in speed math class. If you're not using, don't do this. Okay, now. Okay, 20th, everyone solved it. Everyone solved 20th. See, from 21, every question should take you only 15 seconds. If that is a challenge you're going to take it up. Else, if you want to keep on solving it for a minute or not, no. Okay. Now, how can you write 125? It can be written as 1000 divided by 8. It can be divided by 1000 divided by 8. So it is going to be 4000 divided by 1000 into 8. It's going to be 4 times. This is going to be 32 plus 99 into 8 is 100 into 8 is 800. 800 minus 8 is 792. 792 plus 32 is 824. This is going to be your answer. Mental math should be stronger. Else, no, wrong. Okay, how are you going to simplify the next one? 4000 divided by 3. How are you going to write it? Sorry. Okay. So let me make it a bit more complicated. Wait. Wait. I'll make it a bit more complicated. Why should it be a normal sum? 22nd, I have modified the question a bit. Just do that. What's 4000 divided by 8? 500. Okay, solve this one next. 234 into 5 is? How it is? Half of it. 234 half is 117. Add a 0 to it. It's going to become 1170. You need to use the short tricks, not direct method. This is going to be 500. And this one, 34 into 7 can be written as 17 into 2 into 7 or something like that. Start doing it. 17, 7, 1908. Yes, it's also right only. I should make it complicated. 23, how are you solving it? Don't direct multiplication. This 21 into 23, in between number is 22. This is going to be plus 1. This is going to be minus 1. This is going to be 22 square minus 1 square plus 1025 divided by 25 is, what is it? It can be written as 1000 plus 25 divided by 25 divided by 25. That is going to be 22 square. 441 minus 1 is 440 plus 1000 divided by 25 is 40 plus 1. It is going to be 481. Whenever you get 1025, 1375, split it into two different numbers, 1000 and 375. Divide by 20. Sorry, 484 minus 1, this 483, 523, 524. Sorry, 21 को समझ नहीं है. See, whenever you are having closed numbers, 21 into 23. So there is a between number, in between there is a number, okay? Else you can take it this one. 17 into 23. 17 into 23. In between number कौन सा है? 20. And here it is 22. From 21 to 22, what is the distance? 1. From 22 to 23, what is the distance? 1. This is going to be 22 square minus 1 square. And here it is going to be how much distance? 3. This is going to be 20 square minus 3 square. This is going to be 484 minus 1. That is nothing but 483. This is going to be 20 square minus 3 square. That is nothing but 400 minus 9. That is nothing but 391. Is the answer. Okay. Speed math. That's why I don't know how many of you people have made a chart and kept it with you. You need to have it and practice it every day whenever you come across numbers. Else you won't remember anything. Everyone will start solving it the normal way, whatever you want to. If you have not attended the speed math class, again go and watch it. Okay. 8.25. Okay, this is a new problem. Let me just give a glimpse of it and then you can solve it. Okay. You can solve it the normal way also, but whenever you get points, whenever you get a decimal, use this method. 8.25. 4 into 0.25 is 1, right? Okay. So now the given number is 24. So can you do it in this way? 8.25 multiply by 4 and divide by 4. Yes. So this becomes 6r and this becomes 32 and plus 1. So 33 into 6. 33 into 6 plus 6125 divided by 125 is nothing but 6000 divided by 125 plus 125 divided by 125. So this becomes 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is 48. So 33 into 6 can be written as 11 into 3 into 6 is nothing but 18 plus 8 into 6 is 48 plus 1. This is going to be 198 plus 48 plus 1 is 48. This is going to be your answer. 198 plus 49. Answer is okay. Whenever you get points, make it a whole number, then start doing the simplification. Okay. And whenever you get multiples of 11, simplify it so that your 11 becomes easier. How to multiply a number with 11? 44 into 28. Answer is, how will you do it? 4 into 11 into 28. So 28 into 4 is 80, 96, and then what? All are seeing my face. 80 plus 32 is 112. 11 into 112. Answer is 11 into 112. How will you multiply? Answer 11 into 112 is 1, 2 far apart. This is going to be 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. This is going to be your answer. Like every method you should remember. Make a chart or make a note of it and keep it aside. Fine? Clear? Online? Okay. Start solving 25th. 43 into 11 is quick. 43 11s are 470. 473. Okay. What is 999 into 8? So 1000 into 8 is 8000. 8000 minus 8 is 7992. 7992 plus 473 is going to give you 8465. Okay. Next one. How to do it for 5? You know it, right? 65 square is 4225 plus 75 square is 5625. 85 square is 95. Okay. All are starting to become experts in pi squares. Okay. Now the given number is 6.12. Okay, you can add these numbers and get the result of it. It's going to be 2600. Addition also, practice it in a different way. So one of the methods can be something like adding all the thousands places, adding all the hundreds places, adding all the tens places, adding all the units places and doing it. Or if you want to keep everything one below the other and do that way. Whichever is easier for you people, start doing it that way, but be quick enough in that also. Okay, 6.125 can be 0.125 into what will give you 1? 8. So divide by 8, multiply by 8. Do it now. 8 6 are 48 plus 1 is 49. 49 into 8 9s are 72. 49 into 9. Correct? Whatever. Good. I'm just multiplying it by 8. 5375 can be split into 5000 plus 375 divided by 125 divided by 125. Answer 484. Answer is done. Do it. Whichever is comfortable to you, do it. I'm just teaching a method for you. Mathematics is not like a single method. Any method, whatever is comfortable to you. Sixth answer 484. Okay. Here again the same method, whatever I thought earlier. 24 into 26. How much can do it? 12 common where? In this one. Okay, do it. 12. Or you take 12 and 13 also common. 12 and 13 common also take. Do it. What's 12 13s are? 156. What is 15 12s are? 15 12s are? 180. 15 12s are 180. Remember these two things most commonly asked. Answer for 28? 468. 52 square plus 41 cube. Cube I will teach you. Cube. Just hold on the cube for now. Just skip the 29 and go for 30th one now. Go to 30th one. 4096 cube is? What's 4096? Quick. 4 4096, cube root of 4096. 16 plus the numbers given here. Answer. 16 plus 55, 71. Able to catch up with the speed or no? All are like blinking here. Online, are you able to catch up with the speed or still finding it difficult?
Little bit difficult.
It's a bit difficult. Okay. I'll send the sheet across. Another 2 sheets are there. I'll send everything across and start solving it. Okay. It's okay. Initial class, I understand, but every day you need to practice speed math, simplification. Whatever you do or no, simplification, speed math. Because in your entire quants, everywhere your simplification is involved. Without simplification, nothing.